Okay, we're back. It's February and it's the South African legal job market we're going to be talking about again. And lots of calls coming in and lots of projects underway. Very exciting time here at the beginning of the year, coming to the financial year end for many. So strategies are done, strategies are in place, and now they're coming to GRM and talking about the growth. So what does that mean for you? Where are the opportunities? Well, look, let's start with what's been going on this month already. Okay, so we're coming to the end of Feb, coming into March, end of Q1. Now, we just had those of you who have been not on any of the socials, well done. But if you have, you may have seen the videos and the photographs from our African General Council Summit, which we brought here. It's a global summit for GCs and heads of legal. We brought here for the first time to the African shores, and it was last week in Cape Town, and it was mind-blowing. It was such a good bunch of people. 350 of the leading in-house lawyers, general counsels from across 23 countries in Africa, talking about all of the challenges that they're facing. We had some brilliant partners and law firms and legal tech firms. We kept it nice and small and intimate. Really powerful discussions, great networking, and really just for us on the executive search side of things, really powerful in the sense that we now have a very good idea of each country across Africa, but not just South Africa, but the other 22 that were represented. What's happening in the economies? Where are their growth? Where is the growth? What firms are doing? What corporates are doing? So yeah, this is going to be a big year for the GRM group, and it's already started in terms of the calls coming through and the mandates coming through. So my suggestion to you is, if you are a lawyer and you are ambitious and you want to stay in practice or you want to go in-house, call us, email me, rob@thegrmgroup.com. So what are we seeing? Well, look, we've got some huge things going on. Corporate is picking up. Look, we know it's been a bad time, right? I mean, I'm going to pull up a little screen in a moment, done by my fantastic colleague, Busi, in our research and data analytics side of things. She has just produced me a little chart, which is really cool. So let's have a look. This from 2007 to now, the number of M&A deals. Look, I mean, we can see that it's pretty flat, isn't it? A few spikes here and there, but in terms of the number of deals, it seems to be on a downward trajectory. It is going to pick up this year. It's going to go to about there. We've seen that. Investec have said the same thing. Statista have said the same thing. We're saying the same thing in terms of the effects on the job market, and it's a good year for the corporate guys. So if you're my advice is come to us. We're working with a number of the leading corporate M&A teams. We have equity and salaried partner roles, international partner roles, senior associate and associate teams looking for strength. Contact me. If you've got a book of business and it's commercial, it's away from state-owned enterprises, it's commercial, private equity, M&A work. There's some homes out there where you can be really surrounded by some fantastic colleagues. I mean, the difficulty is in every legal market I've ever recruited in, and that is, as most of you know, over 50 now, different cities and countries, is that the markets themselves are relatively smaller, and everyone has an opinion on the firms and who does what and where. But talk to me and talk to our team. We know really, we've got the scoop on what's happening inside different law firms, that kind of thing. So yeah, some great opportunities, not only in corporate, but also employment, litigation's really picking up. We've got some construction opportunities at the partner end as well, mining, regulatory, banking, finance, admin, constitutional, and insurance. All of those spaces we have wonderful clients. And for those of you who don't know us, right, we only work with good people. We only work with good firms. So, and what I mean by that is firms that we can promote, that we believe in, that have good, honest people and good professionals in them, have a clear strategy for growth, and can give you the support you need to build out your book of business and your client base and do some market leading work. contact us today. On the in-house side of things, we have a number of mandates coming through, mainly outside of South Africa, mainly in finance, technology, telecoms, those kind of areas, but all at the senior level. So contact us and we can talk about that later. We've got looking at things in East Asia, upwards in Namibia. We just got off the phone about an hour ago to a new client in Botswana. Things are going really, really well. So yeah, this is the place to be to get your jobs. Don't go anywhere else. Just come to the grmgroup.com and we will be able to help you. So yeah, look, check us out on the socials. Obviously, we've got all of the videos and photos coming through periodically as they get released to show the event from last week. We've got a heap of things going on across the continent and not just in South Africa, but really powerful events. Really help you with your career, really help you with connections. It's going to be a massive year for us. Get involved. Come and work with us, work through us to grow your teams and grow your career. We've got so many tools that can help you, not least of all our online magazine, which is free. It does have a VIP section where they get special treatment in terms of some of the research and some of the job mandates first before anyone else. But have a look. globallegalmarket.substack.com. We've also got the training programs. We've got a whole heap of other things going on. So just get in touch with us today. Email me directly, rob@thegrmgroup.com, and have a wonderful week ahead whenever you're watching this. Thanks very much.